we're going to do today, we are going to make some rosemary oil, and we're going to do that from scratch. I've been using this oil for over a year now. I've made my first batch and I've been seeing progress with my hair. My hair is natural and I've seen where it works really good for my hair grow like crazy. I'm gonna put my hair somewhere up here so you guys can see my natural hair. Yeah, hair natural. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, I have some chopped coconut. This is what I'm going to use to make my base oil, which is coconut oil. I rather to do this from scratch because I don't want to buy any of the coconut oil on Amazon, and I'm not sure if it has any kind of additives to it. I want to have something that is 100% natural. That's the reason why I choose to make the coconut oil from scratch. So I'm kind of giving you like a 2-in-1 video. I make the coconut oil and rosemary oil, yeah, 2-in-1. And this is the dry rosemary. I washed and dried them. Yeah, that's sitting over there. I've seen progress. I've been seeing progress. So this is working for me, and I'm going to show you how I make rosemary oil. And guys, everybody make them rosemary oil different. This is my second time around. I've seen progress in my first batch. Yeah, so it'll work for me. Alright, so I'm just show you how I make my rosemary oil. Alright. Trat, let me say this and stop work already. The salt and some salt. I never tightened the top properly and the coconut juice run down into the motor. I know this something stop work. This something stop work, you know? It stop work. Like now work not at all. Now come on, none at all. I turn it upside down. Fade the juice run out. I'm just gonna get a few minutes. I'm gonna try it again and see if it's gonna start work. I don't make them stress me out. I'm gonna look on it now and see if it start work, cause no way can it stop work. I'm gonna just start using it. Well, I don't have any problem, you know. I cannot take the problem. I cannot. I'm have it turned upside down. I turn it upside down. I'm gonna see if it start work. ready yet. You're not ready yet. In the fridge for a few hours, and then I'm going to take it out, and then the process of making the coconut oil I go finally start, like when I go finally see that I'm getting somewhere. So we remove it from the fridge, and now we're going to see how it looks. Alright, this is how it looks. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the curd from the top, which is the white part. I'm going to remove this and add it to the pot. So this is the amount of oil I get. But I feel like I still can get some more oil out of this. So I go and put it back in the pot. I feel like I can still get some more oil. Look at the little bit. I'm gonna say why I'm gonna trust the coconut oil that them sell like on Amazon. Like I just not trust them because the amount of coconut, right? Me use to get this amount of coconut oil from. But that's why I just don't trust them. I just feel like there's additives. I feel like there's more to it, like they mix it with other oils. I'm not trust it. I feel like we can get more oil. So I'm gonna add the rest on the stove again to see if I can get some more oil from it. I'm gonna think this is enough. To make the rosemary oil is the easiest part. The coconut oil was the hardest part, most time consuming. I have the coconut oil, I have the rosemary, the dry one, and I have a glass jar. So I'm just gonna put the And that's it. That is it. But what I'm gonna do, I put some water on the stove. I'm going to cover this, and then I'm going to put the jar inside the pot of water to steam the rosemary. You can see. I'm gonna add this to the pot of water right now so that the rosemary can steam in the oil. Not boil, steam. So I'm gonna leave it in there for a few minutes, and then I'm going to take it out, and then it's done. To make the rosemary oil, it's pretty easy. You can use any oil really, but it's just to make the coconut oil, and I wanted something that is 100% coconut oil and something that is very lightweight. I didn't want to use any other oil that is too heavy or too thick. I'm so hungry. I'm exhausted. After such a long day. Alright, I'm gonna cook. I cook curry chicken, dumpling, yam, and Irish potato. I'm exhausted. I'm hungry. Whew. So may I finish off the day and just get something substantial to eat. I'm months now I'm gonna eat yam. Months, pan top of months, I'm gonna eat yam. Banana and Irish. The only thing I'm gonna have is banana. Banana is so expensive. Banana is like what, $200 for one finger? Maybe gone up now. Can't afford it, my dear. So I only have one dumpling, 2 yam, 2 Irish. Can't afford banana. Alright, so we're gonna go down at this, and I'll see you guys later. And I appreciate you, and thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Hungry kill me. Bye.